Alright, today I'm going to be opening up the floor to deal with the rotted subfloor underneath the toilet. And what I'm looking for is what's this going to look like when I cut in. Is there any power that I'll hit? Nope, that's all on stud. One stud in the middle. Everything is down out of the way. Yeah. Good things to cut. See, I've already pulled up a lot of tile. Baseboard heater's going to come up, and that is where that water leak was. Yucky, yucky. Which makes me think I've got a stud right about there. And 12-inch over, so that's probably all I need to do is, I'm going to guess I'm 16. Another 16, so I'm going to measure that out and make some cuts. Alright, day 2. Back at working on the subfloor in that bathroom. Got some good progress yesterday, but got slowed down because I actually blew the brakes out of my old truck going to get lumber. So I had to get the lumber in 2-foot by 4-foot sections so I could fit it in the Mini Cooper. So today I got a little bit of subfloor to level. I got an electric heater to take out, and I got some more grout to remove from the floor with the diamond cutting blade, so to say. So with any luck, I won't be at it too long today because it's a nice day. I want to get outside, but should be able to wrap this thing up.